how to create views in Airtable. Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can create views in Airtable. So kindly watch to the end. The first step is to log in into your Airtable account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to your home page where you'll see your dashboard, and then you'll see your base and every other thing. So the next step is to select the base where you'd like to create new views. So this is the base for me. After selecting the base, you brought to your base interface where you can carry out some options and edit the base to look the way you want it to look. So once you're on this page, like I said earlier, the next step is to check the parts, the upper part of the screen where you can see views, grid view, height views, group, sort, etc. And then by the left side, you can see find view. You can see that currently the view available is the grid view. So to create more views, just go to the lower half of the screen and then you can see all of the views available. Okay, so you can just go ahead and then click the view that you want. For example, if you want the calendar view, click on it, and then you see calendar, and just double click this way, click enter, and then just like that, the calendar view has been created. Okay, that is it. Yeah, all right, this is the calendar view. Right. Then you have to create a new date view. Just create it, done, just like that. Yes. Then to create a gallery view as well, click on it, click enter, and then just like that, the gallery view has been created already. Just like that. So you can also do the same thing for other views. You can create as many views as you want. So this is basically how to do it. This is how you can create views in Airtable. Thank you and have a good day.